Am I audible? Okay. So good evening to all. So during last lecture, I have given statement of the numerical related to the velocity and acceleration diagram. Okay. So statement you have written. अजय statement लिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in the solution, so first step is draw space diagram. So draw the space diagram. This is not drawn, na? Okay. So crank of slider crank mechanism rotates clockwise at constant speed of 300 rpm. The crank is 150 mm and the connecting rod is 600 mm long. So that largest dimension is for connecting rod and it is 600 mm. So 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. So dimension for this connecting rod will be 12 centimeter, and that can be feasible for notebook page. So we can select 1 centimeter is equal to 50 mm. Accordingly, we got value for this connecting rod length is 12 centimeter, for this crank is 3 centimeter, and this angle 45 as it is. So draw the diagram in your notebook. समाधान मोरे, समाधान.
हाँ सर.
हा डायग्राम काढली का तुम्ही?
हाँ सर चालू 1 मिनिट.
हा काढा. ड्रॉ इट. draw the diagram. Then you can write the speed of crank. It is given. It is 300 RPM. So this is OB. OB is crank. And this B point, there will be pin related to the connecting rod and the crank. And this is rotating. So you can write NBO is equal to 300 RPM. This is also given. So from this, you can calculate angular velocity using the formula omega BO is equal to 2 pi. This is nothing but N divided by 60. So omega we can calculate 2 pi N divided by 60. So we'll get this answer. Okay. Then whatever lengths that we need to convert into the meter. So OB, it is 150 mm. We have converted it to 0.15 meter. So 150 divided by 1000, that will give length in meter. And BA, this is the connecting rod, and length is given 600 mm. So we can have 0.6 meter as it's a conversion. Then in the velocity diagram, we need to draw initial vector. So here, as crank is rotating, so we need to find out this VB. That means linear velocity of B with respect to O, or velocity of B, and which is given as VBO is equal to VB is equal to omega BO into OB. So omega BO we have calculated, and this is in meter. This is for this OB. So we got 4.713 meter per second as a linear velocity of B. So after completion of the space diagram, you can write this NBO, omega BO, OB, and PA, and finally the linear velocity. Up to this completed. Krishna, up to this completed.
Yes, sir.
Prem Sawan. Then Shantanu, up to this completed? Shantanu? Ajay, up to this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then first step, we need to draw the velocity diagram and then we can go for the acceleration. So here we need to determine the linear velocity and acceleration of midpoint of the connecting rod. That means we need to determine velocity, that is Vd, for this, and at the same time we need to determine its acceleration. Then second, that is angular velocity and angular acceleration of connecting rod. So again we need to determine omega, this AB, that is angular velocity and angular acceleration for this connecting rod. So first of all, we need to start from the velocity diagram, and as a first step we got this value, that is linear velocity of this B with respect to O, and it is denoted by VBO is equal to VB is equal to omega BO into OB, and we got this answer. So next you can write, right, to determine linear velocity, to determine linear velocity of the midpoint of the connecting rod, comma, draw velocity diagram, write this in your notebook. Next line you can write scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. Or somebody can select 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter per second, or 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 meter per second. That depends upon the our convenience or whatever space available. So any suitable scale can be selected. Okay. Then we know this VBO is equal to 4.713 meter per second. So write down this. We know VBO is equal to 4.713 meter per second. Next line, write down. So velocity diagram means we are going to draw vector for this, vector for this, which indicates velocity for this B, which indicates velocity for this A. So as a construction line, we are going to draw perpendicular line here. We are going to draw perpendicular line here, or line perpendicular to the link, line perpendicular to the link. So next line you can write, draw vector OB perpendicular to BO to represent the velocity of B, to represent the velocity of B with respect to O, with respect to O, and denote it as VB, and denote it as VB. So vector OB is equal to 4.7 centimeter as per the scale. So this is the value, and based on the scale we have selected, the length for vector OB will be 4.7 centimeter. So we need to draw vector like this. Okay, draw this. कृष्णा,
येस सर.
लक्षात आलं का हा वेक्टर कसा काढला तो?
हो सर. हो.
ओके. So what is next step? What is next step? Ajay, what is next step? Revannath, what is next step? Krishna, what is next step? Velocity diagram already we have studied in the previous bit. Ajay, are you there? Shubham?
Yes, sir.
Shubham?
Understand. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is next step, Shubham? You can write from point B, draw vector BA perpendicular to BA. So this one is capital, this one is small. This is related to velocity diagram, and this is related to the space diagram. Perpendicular to BA to represent the velocity of A with respect to B, and denote it as VAB. So you are going to draw one vector like this. Okay. Don't show this. Okay. Up to this completed 2 vectors. Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next you can write from point O. From point O, draw vector OA. Draw vector OA parallel to the motion of A. Parallel to the motion of A. Which is along AO. Which is along AO. To represent the velocity of A. Velocity of A. And denote it as VA. Okay. 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 After this, you can show midpoint here. Midpoint for this vector, and that is nothing but midpoint of the connecting rod. Midpoint of the connecting rod. Okay. Now just I have displayed slide. So in your notebook, you can write velocity of A with respect to B. So these calculations are required. So next line you can write by measurement VBA is equal to vector BA is equal to अजय किती व्हॅल्यू आली तुमची अजय मेजर करा ओके
3.5.
okay done then you can write answer as per your value Omkar has got 3.5. Then VBA is equal to 3.4 meter per second. So whatever value I got or as per the book that I have written. Okay. Next. Similarly, you can measure velocity of A with respect to O. Velocity of A with respect to this O. So this is the vector for that. So you can write. Therefore, VA is equal to vector OA is equal to. So what is your values? You can put in chat box. Revannath. किती आली व्हॅल्यू? ठीक आहे. Okay. Okay. Then as per the values you got, you can write VA is equal to. So I have displayed here 4 meter per second. Accordingly, you can write your values, and those should be referred while drawing the acceleration diagram. Next line you can write divide the vector BA vector BA in the same ratio as D divides AB in the space diagram. So BD is equal to 1.7 centimeter with respect to this answer. Okay. So those who are getting 3.6, it is 1.8. Okay. Okay. Then join OD. So this D point and this one is O. You can join this. Tail value for this. Then join OD and measure this OD. So this vector OD represent velocity of the midpoint D of the connecting rod. किती वेक्टर OD ची लेंथ? अजय रेवन्नाथ किती आली? 4.1. अजय, किती आली तुमची व्हॅल्यू? ओके, 4 सेंटीमीटर. हा. निखिल 4, अजय गवळी 4, then Revannath 4. So I will check. Okay. So whatever value, done. So you can write VD is equal to vector OD is equal to 4.1. I have displayed. You can write your own answer. And finally VD is equal to 4.1 meter per second. This is first answer. Okay, up to this completed. Srikanth, up to this completed.
Wait a moment, sir.
Okay, okay, no issue. ओके, ओंकार झालं का तुमचं?
Yes, sir. Completed.
ओके ओके. Right? Acceleration of the midpoint of the connecting rod. So for that we need to go for the acceleration diagram. Then it is possible to determine the acceleration of the midpoint of the connecting rod. You can write this. Next line you can write determine radial components for the acceleration of B with respect to O and acceleration of A with respect to B. we need to determine radial component for acceleration of B with respect to O. So this one is O, and for B, we need to determine the radial component. And again for this A with respect to B. So after O, there is B, and after B, there is A. So this crank is going to rotate, and that motion is transferred to this connecting rod. Okay. Next line you can write. The radial component of the acceleration of B, the radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to O, with respect to. So I request all the students, they should take all the dictation. So next problem, dictation is not required. So just we'll draw directly the diagrams. The radial component of the acceleration of B with respect to O, in bracket you can write acceleration of B. So whatever way we got the velocity diagram, in the same manner, just by following the procedure for acceleration diagram, we need to get the location of D, and finally we will get the acceleration of that midpoint. Okay. So next line you can write radial component. So this is the formula for radial component. ARBO is equal to AB. So we know linear velocity VBO divided by this OB. Now just we are making the calculations. We are not drawing the acceleration diagram. Next. So first we need to determine the components by using the formulas. Next line you can write, and radial component of the acceleration of A So this value already we have determined previously. Up to this completed?
No, sir.
Next step you can write. Draw acceleration diagram. Draw acceleration diagram.
Sir, ती previous slide राहिली आहे, sir.
हेच ना?
हा, yes, sir.
हे करा, ओंकार लिहा.
Completed, sir.
Then draw acceleration diagram. Okay. So 1 minute. Okay. Then you can select suitable scale for that. 1 minute. Okay. Scale, write down. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter per second square. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 meter per second square. Next line, draw vector O dash B dash. So velocity diagram, we have just written O B. For acceleration, we are adding this O prime and B prime. Okay. Parallel to BO with the selected scale to represent radial component of acceleration of B with respect to O. First listen. So this one is the crank. This is the crank. And its radial component is parallel to this link or the crank. So already we have seen while representing acceleration of the link. So based on that, we are going to draw a radial component in the direction of this O point. In the direction of O point. And its magnitude will be. So this acceleration of BO in the previous slide, it is displayed and its value is 148.1 meter per second. So by using the scale, we can get approximately 7.4 centimeter. So just check 7.4. Is it correct? 148 divided by 20. बरोबर आहे का ओंकार?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This 7.4 centimeter distance, 7.4 centimeter distance, draw O dash B dash as a vector. O dash B dash is equal to this. You can write in your notebook as well. You can write next line. Since crank OB rotates at constant speed, comma, therefore there will be no tangential component. There will be no tangential component. There will be of the acceleration of B with respect to O. So rate of change of velocity. So this is the important sentence. Write in your notebook. It may be asked for MCQ. Okay, remaining part we will take tomorrow. You can put your attendance in chat box.